So, hello everyone, bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va, ça va? Je vais très bien. I am very fine. Welcome to our this new video of basic French. And today in this video, we are going to see some new irregular verbs, their pronunciations, and the English translation. And how exactly are we going to use these verbs in framing sentences in French? This is what we are going to learn in this particular video. So let's start with the first verb, aller. Aller means to go. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. So, je vais, I am going, tu vas, you are going, il va, he is going, elle va, she is going, nous allons, we are going, vous allez, you are going, ils vont, they are going, elles vont, they are going. I can also say I go, you go, he goes, she goes, we go, you go, they go. So, in English, there are 4 types of present tense, but while translating into French, we have only one. So it's okay, you can translate it in any which way in English. So let's take an example. First one, je vais au lycée. I am going to the college. So I am going to the college, je vais au lycée. Next, venir, je viens, tu viens, ils viennent, elles viennent, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. I am coming, you are coming, he is coming, she is coming, we are coming, you are coming, they are coming, they are coming. Exemple, tu viens de l'école, you are coming from the school. Third, lire. Lire means to read. Je lis, tu lis, il lit, elle lit. Nous lisons, vous lisez, ils lisent, elles lisent. So I read, you read, he reads, she reads, we read, you read, they read. Exemple, nous lisons le journal. We are reading the newspaper. We are reading the newspaper. Yeah, we read the newspaper. So either way you can translate. I am reading, yeah, I read. It will still be right. Fourth one, faire, to do, to make. So je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. So I am doing, you are doing, he is doing, she is doing, we are doing, you are doing, they are doing, they are doing. Or I do, you do, he does, she does, we do, you do, they do. It's like Scooby-Doo. I can also say I am making, you are making, he is making, she is making, we are making, you are making, they are making, they are making. Okay? Next is prendre, to take. Oh, we'll look at the example. Fourth one example. Vous faites du yoga. You are doing some yoga. Next. Prendre, to take. Je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend. Nous prenons, vous prenez, ils prennent, elles prennent. So, I am taking, you are taking, he is taking, she is taking, we are taking, you are taking, they are taking, they are taking. Exemple, ils prennent le déjeuner. They are taking the lunch. Next is écrire, to write. J'écris, tu écris, il écrit, elle écrit. Nous écrivons, vous écrivez, ils écrivent, elles écrivent. So, I am writing, you are writing, he is writing, she is writing, we are writing, you are writing, they are writing, they are writing. Vous écrivez la lettre d'amour. You are writing the love letter. You are writing the love letter. So, moving forward to the next slide, 7th one, recevoir. Recevoir, to receive. Je reçois, tu reçois, il reçoit, elle reçoit. Nous recevons, vous recevez, ils reçoivent, elles reçoivent. I receive, you receive, he receives, she receives, we receive, you receive, they receive, they receive. Exemple, je reçois la lettre d'amour. I receive the love letter. So, next is vouloir, to wish, to want. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. So I want, you want, he wants, she wants, we want, you want, they want, they want. Or I can also say I wish, you wish, he wishes, she wishes, we wish, you wish, they wish, they wish. So example, veux-tu aller en France? Do you want to go to France? Question mark. Next, pouvoir, to be able to can. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. I can, you can, he can, she can, we can, you can, they can. Or I can also say I am able to, you are able to, he is able to, she is able to, we are able to, you are able to, they are able to, they are able to. Example, vous ne pouvez pas faire ce travail, you cannot do this work. Next, 10th one, savoir, to know. If you see 10th and 11th one, both means to know, but 10th one is for facts and 11th one is for person and place. So savoir, to know, je sais, tu sais, il sait, elle sait. Nous savons, vous savez, ils savent, elles savent. So I know, you know, he knows, she knows, we know, you know, they know. So example, je sais la vérité. I know the truth. Je sais la vérité. I know the truth. I can take one more example. Je sais que Jaynesh est intelligent. So I know that Jaynesh is intelligent. So when we are talking about some fact, we have to use the verb savoir. And going for the next one, connaître, when we are talking about place or person. Je connais, tu connais, il connaît, elle connaît. Nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils connaissent, elles connaissent. So again, I know, you know, he knows, she knows. We know, you know, they know. So example, ils connaissent Monsieur Narendra Modi. They know Mr. Narendra Modi. Next is devoir, to have to owe. Je dois, tu dois, il doit, elle doit. Nous devons, vous devez, ils doivent, elles doivent. So I have to, you have to, he has to, she has to, we have to, you have to, they have to, they have to. Anything there is a compulsion, so we use the verb devoir. Elles doivent faire leur devoir. So example is, elles doivent faire leur devoir. They have to do their homework. They have to do their homework. So now moving forward, next one, 13th one, mettre. Mettre, to put, to place, to keep. Je mets, tu mets, il met, elle met. Nous mettons, vous mettez, ils mettent, elles mettent. So I can say I put, you put, he puts, she puts, we put, you put, they put. So that is, I can also say I place, you place, he places, she places, we place, you place, they place, and accordingly to keep also. So let's take an example. Tu mets la chemisière dans le placard. You are keeping the shirt in the cupboard. Next is voir. Voir, to see. Je vois, tu vois, il voit, elle voit, nous voulons, vous voulez, nous voyons, vous voyez, ils voient, elles voient. So I see, you see, he see, she see, we see, you see, they see. So let's example. Elle voit au ciel. She is seeing at the sky. Yeah, she is looking at the sky. Acheter. Acheter, to buy. J'achète, tu achètes, il achète, elle achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, ils achètent, elles achètent. So I buy, you buy, he buys, she buys, we buy, you buy, they buy. So example, nous achetons les vêtements, we are buying the clothes. Next is partir, to leave. Je pars, tu pars, il part, elle part. Nous partons, vous partez, ils partent, elles partent. So I am leaving, you are leaving, he is leaving, she is leaving. We are leaving, you are leaving, they are leaving. Example, elle part pour la France. She is leaving for France. Yeah. So next is sortir, to go out. Je sors, tu sors, il sort, elle sort. Nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent, elles sortent. So I am going out, you are going out, he is going out, she is going out, we are going out, you are going out, they are going out, they are going out. Example, vous sortez de la maison, you are going out from the house. And going for the last one, boire. Boire means to drink. Je bois, tu bois, il boit, elle boit, nous buvons, vous buvez, ils boivent, elles boivent. I drink, you drink, he drinks, she drinks, we drink, you drink, they drink. Example, je bois du vin, I am drinking some wine. So today what we have done is we have learned few more verbs. You can also frame some sentences, students, and you can send us on the number given to you all. Okay, and so it was nice having this video. Hope you are learning French nicely. So it's time to take a bye. This was Jaynesh from this side, Jaynesh Kothari from Wisdom Commerce Classes. Merci, au revoir.